went to Marawi, I was asked by the media, why are you here? I am here because my soldiers are here and I came here to die also. Believe me, it is easier to build from scratch than to dismantle the rotten and rebuild upon its rubble. Nevertheless, let us work together and lay a new foundation upon which a better Philippines can be reconstructed. Help me build a better tomorrow. From now on, I will save money for the armed forces of the Philippines. We have lost so much soldiers. And there are thousands already incapacitated to fight. To the critics against the fight, your efforts will be better spent if you use the influence, moral authority, and ascendancy of your organizations over your respective sectors to educate the people on the evil of illegal drugs. Instead of condemning the authorities unjustly, blaming for every killing that bloodies this country. But don't get me wrong, I value human life the way I value mine. Each life that is snuffed out translates into future generations' law. Kayo mag-itito kayo, binibombahan kasi ako ninyo ng ganon. Sabihin na ng mga tao, tama yan. Tama yan si Duterte. Kasi nangyayari. Kayo parang fruit samp, ganon-ganon. Pag na may namatay dyan na maraming massacre, na rape mga bata, hindi kayo umiimik. Maya-maya pagdating ng mga and I really do not know whether I will not attribute anything, ma'am, sa Supreme Court. Maybe I am at fault, so